Let's go get an egg.
Let's go get an egg. Yeah, can you lie down and see if
Oh, there's 3. There we go.
Watch. No, I did see a chicken lay an egg the other day, though, and that kind of like almost ruined eggs for me. Moose, what are these? Moose avocados?
Not moose knuckles.
Moose knuckles?
Moose grilled stuffed avocados.
Moose avocado grilled stuffs. What's up, internet friends? Lyle with Stone Glacier here for another fun-filled edition of Awkwardly Cooking with myself. Today I'm joined by my friend Buck and my co-worker, boss, CEO of Stone Glacier, the one and only Mr. Jeff Sposito. On the docket, if you didn't know, Jeff killed a moose. I'm sure Zack will insert a great clip of the moose. Goes like right there.
Freaking, I don't know what you did, but you just dropped him.
And then brought the moose back. Also, fun fact, we like to golf at Stone Glacier. Kind of got a little golf game going. One of the places we golf at serves this really delicious avocado stuffed thing with pico de gallo and moose meat. And while they don't have moose meat, we're going to put moose meat on ours. But super awesome thing. So we're going to make it today. So over there, we got a whole bunch of veggies. We got some moose meat that Jeff marinated. What'd you marinate that in?
Some carne asada marinade, this and that.
Yep, so a little this and that. And then Buck here is going to make some fried olives, whatever those are. I mean, I know what an olive is. Never had a fried one, so that's going to be exciting. And that's the game plan. So let's do it. I'll be like, yeah, we golf at the country club only, exclusively. So
Why would you go to the public golf course?
yeah. Well, I'm not exactly sure. I'm a little bit of a guest chef host today. So I'm thinking we got a pan. We're going to fry some olives. You must need some oil. Hot oil that?
Oil.
Oil.
For sure.
Okay. And then we're going to put them in some panko there.
Yep. It's a simple breading of flour, then egg, then panko, and then fry.
Sweet. And this egg is from Jeff. Look at this thing. It's
That's
fresh.
tiny.
There's a little chicken butthole there.
This is like my favorite cheese. You gotta chew them up a bit.
Is there some pin in
shit,
it?
they're spinning?
Oh, no way.
Just noticed it when I dumped. Casale Trebano.
We'll be alright.
You need unpitted those.
Yeah. There you go.
The
Chop
guy
some
over-
tomato.
Chop some tomato. I'm going to chop some
Hey, you need
onions.
a bigger cutting board?
I'm going to do this. I don't need a bigger cutting board. I'm just going to work on this one. I don't know who this guy is. If you don't know what pico is, you are an idiot. Well, guys, what goes with pico is, you got tomatoes, you got some onion, you got some cilantro, put a little lime on it, you made pico. Pretty
Hey,
simple.
we might have some Hispanic food fans out there. Right?
Oh, I think we should also clear the air. You might think that Jeff is Hispanic because he looks slightly Hispanic. He's not. He's Italian.
What do we go with? We got tomato, onion, cilantro, a little bit of jalapeno, a little bit of garlic,
Lime juice.
a little bit of lime juice,
A little bit of salt.
a little salt. That's about it. Mix it all up.
You know the best part about cooking somebody else's house? Don't have to clean it up. I do this a lot. That's what I do.
Don't worry about making a mess. My wife will be home at 5.
She's fine.
Clean it all up.
Sam will love this.
Yeah, that's that.
If it's brown, it's going down. That's my always say. I lived on this ranch where you couldn't flush the toilet. And so if it was, our motto was, if it was yellow, let us know. If it was brown, flush it down. So
Times are hard and don't have enough water to flush.
you can literally light the water on fire. There was so much sulfur in it. It was disgusting.
It's pretty tough to get a good avocado in Montana. Need a spoon.
That's good. That's I call that chunky pico.
That is chunky pico.
I had a friend called Chunky Pico in high school.
Son of a bitch.
You gotta twist.
Yeah, snap it, twist it.
Show me how to do it.
Snap it and twist it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, that thing is wow.
We need some jaws of life here. Got it. All these people on the internet are gonna be like, "This guy don't know how to do avocados."
Drain the olives. Less juice. A little flour. Flour makes the egg stick. A little egg. And then roll it in pico. And that makes you flavor.
Is that it? Nailed it.
Mix it up.
That's what happens.
How do you know this?
I don't know. I've been to Mexico before. I've seen things. Okay, so this is what happened. We woke up this morning. I was a little sleepy. These guys seemed like they felt pretty good. I was up late last night. It's sheep week, but that's not happening. So I just drank some beers and went gambling at Little Lucky Lil's just to like recreate the experience. We went to the grocery store. We got olives, but Jeff bought the wrong olives.
Hey,
Jeff,
you agreed on those olives.
I didn't even know what we were doing there, honestly. We cut the avocados in half. It was a motherfucker. Some of them were real sticky. We're gonna cook the moose meat, put an avocado. We got pico de gallo in there. We're having an appetizer of fried olives. We're a little bit worried because Jeff got the wrong olives. That's it. That's where we're at. Got White Claw. Never wash it, always wipe it out.
What did I say? Wow. Help me out here.
Yeah. Help you out.
Come on, Ellis.
I'm a sexier Rachel Ray. Hot fire.
Hot.
Oh, straight sizzling.
Eric Church on there.
Oh,
Eric. 4 college days when I couldn't afford cable. All I could do was listen to music. The cheapest music you can get back then was either Napster or vinyl. Whoa,
How's it chewing them off the seat?
no problem.
Oh, good.
I'm gonna stay on the edge.
Really good.
It's like a little bitty testicle ball.
Oh, wait, you gotta put it in the dip.
I did.
Yeah.
I put it in the dip.
I forgot about the dip. How was it?
It's good.
It's really good.
It's good.
I think the dip kind of makes it. What's the dip about, Buck? Tell us about the dip.
The dip is just a simple aioli. It's got mayo, garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper.
All the dudes. Come on, Hanky.
Oh, she's smoking.
Oh, she's on fire. 1.911. There's a shorty fire burning on the dance floor. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at it?
One handy. To be redeemed.
Let's see. Wait for it.
Good?
Oh my gosh, it's delicious.
Tastes like Alaska.
Right out the bush.
It's pretty good. I almost cooked them a little too much. That is really good moose. Push them down a little bit. Make sure they get on the grill. We want nice grill marks on them.
Oh, just getting rid of light sear.
Just throw them in here when you're done.
Make a little extra flavor. Bomb.
Ooh, no, yeah. Pretty good. Rusty.
That's all right.
All right. Where's that pico at? Cheese.
We're cooking the moose. We're chopping the moose. We got the avocados out.
2 per plate.
We're gonna put an avocado on the plate. We're gonna put the moose on the avocado. Then the pico goes on. A little bit of the cheese on top of that. Oh man. Woo! Pico.
You like the 96 degrees in the shade, don't you?
It's pretty good. We were discussing it's like it's not like it's kind of like somewhere in between reggae.
Reggae and fish.
Yeah, a little
This
fish.
is reggae. Fish?
This is straight reggae.
Ah, it's kind of aggressive.
Don't you worry. It's gonna be fine.
Come on.
Let's try this out. Pico.
Oh yeah, the pico. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a big one chunk there.
Big chunk.
That chunk got a little away
I'm
from
gonna
me.
try a little Tion on top.
Yep.
See if it looks good or.
Oh, it's gonna look so good, boy. Just a splash. Oh God. Hey. Gosh dang it.
How's that look?
Ooh.
It's a Moose Grilled Stuffed Avocado right there.
That's pretty good. This is that hot technique right here. Oh, that's the schmear. That's that hot shit.
Moose.
The moose and the moose in right there. I just keep your comments. We're gonna do no comments on this video because of the accent, but it'll be fine. Just cut your avocado. Look at that.
Give her
Yourself
a
a avocado. Yourself a moose. Yourself a little cheese.
Oh.
Pico. Look at that.
Put
Look
her
at that.
all
Look at that.
That is good. Excellent.
That's the shit right there.
That's a keeper.
Now we're
Oh, get the moose.
you dive into the olives. Don't forget they got bits in them. Huh?
That's delicious.
I mean, I could eat that 2 days a week.
Yeah, that's a healthy meal too, huh?
Superfood.
Pretty darn good.